Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name's Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this box. This is the USL-Motion. This is part of the SuperLink sensor range and it's an infrared sensor. As it says, not a big technical overview. I want to show you what you get in the box. Plenty more how-to guides over on our YouTube, so hang out there if you want to see how to get these set up. But let's just jump on in and have a look at what you get in the box. So, not a lot. You're going to get here your get started guide, some useful information, but probably something you might not look at all. You are going to get a fixing or drilling guide. This will allow you to work out, you can use the little level here to which way you're going to fit it to hold it in place. There are some screw holes that we'll have a look at the back of this. So there are various ways to mount it, which we'll have a look at. So you get a drilling guide there. Okay, you get some screws and lugs for fitting that to your hard surface. You are going to get an angle mount fitting bracket already with glue strips on the back. We'll show you how that works in a moment. You're going to get some spare glue strips here if you want to just stick this in place. Remember, this is actually battery powered, so we'll have a look inside in a moment. And this is actually the tool for opening the back up. So we'll keep these pieces here and have a look at it all together. Not really much to see there. We've got the nice UniFi logo on the front, but probably doesn't really appear for you there. This is the front of the device. Here on the bottom, cunningly disguised here, you can just about see this is actually our function switch. And then we've got our power and our connected light indicators there on the bottom. And that's really all there is to this. In basic terms, this can detect about 6 meters in this direction if it was mounted this way. There are some direct guides on Ubiquiti's website of how high to mount this so that you maybe have a ½ meter gap at the bottom that allows animals to move around without the sensor going off. It will do it in about a 90-degree round the front of this. If you mount it this way and angled down with the angled down bracket, this will have a width of about 1.5 meters when it hits the floor. Again, use the Ubiquiti instructions, but this you'd maybe mount over the top of a doorway or something like that if you were wanting to watch for an object or a person coming through. So this is the device here. Let's just pop this open. It's battery powered. The battery comes with it. It should last for about 5 or 6 years, but it is a fully replaceable battery. Our little tool goes into the bottom here and we can clip to one side and clip to the other. This allows us to actually open the back. In the back here is our reset hole, but also our tamper resistant, because we can see on the back here, we've just got that little nodule there that pushes through. That will actually send a sensor alert if it goes offline. Here is our usable replaceable battery. These are CR123As, very similar common lithium batteries. That just fits in. If you've bought this new, there's normally a tab in here that you need to pull to actually release the battery terminal to join it up. Now you can see the button is a function button is a little bit more useful, and we use that if we want to see, maybe this is only checking in every 15 minutes, but we want to see that check in, we can click that button there. So that's what you get in the back of it. If we look at our normal back, you can see we've got our tape or our glue back. If we were to peel this backwards, you can then use that to stick directly on. But you can see our screw holes here as well, so we could drill that straightly through and hold that with the screws provided directly onto our solid mount surface. And like we said, that is designed properly to be mounted vertically like this. If we were then to take our angle bracket, again, that can mount on the back in exactly the same way, but obviously, as we can see, either stick it or drill it. We've got it pointing down or maybe into the corner of your wall setup as well. And then you just basically clip that back in place like that for it to be sealed back up. These aren't watertight. They aren't designed to be outside. They are indoor sensors. But hopefully that gives you a real quick look round. As you can see, the angle that you can get from that. But hopefully that gives you a quick look round of what you get in the box. Head on over to our YouTube channel. Got plenty more box openings on network, firewall, wireless devices, and camera security, how to set up some of the SuperLink sensors there as well. So head on over, subscribe, and stay up to date.